Okay, so you can get involved in a hit and run.
Absolutely. So a hypothetical plaintiff, a nice person, stopped at a red light on a narrow road in a local area, and a drunk driver comes up from behind. We don't know they're drunk, but they drive like they were. They slam into you from behind, kabam. You don't know what happened, except that the guy is now backing up and driving around you and driving away. Now you're in the car. Your neck went back and forth, and your neck hurts. Maybe your knees hit the dashboard. Your knees hurt, and the guy's gone. You can't sue him because we don't know who he is. Of course, you report it to the police, and those cars are often found and are often identified by debris left at the scene or by a local car in the neighborhood. Almost always the people are around somewhere, and they can be found. So go look for them, or have your friends look for them the next day.
Oh, okay.
If you can. But even if that person gets away, the hit and run driver gets away, you can file for uninsured motorist coverage, coverage, arbitration through your own policy. Every New York State policy has at least $25,000 of uninsured motorist coverage.
Okay.
This is for your pain and suffering. I'm not talking about for property damage. So you get hit from behind. This guy leaps. If you don't have collision, you're going to have to pay for the car out of your pocket.
Okay.
But if you did get hurt, that injury claim, the injuries will be paid for by no fault in your car, your own no fault, and the pain and suffering for that injury claim will come from the uninsured motorist provision of your insurance policy. But in order to access that uninsured motorist provision of the insurance policy, I will be called upon to prove that you reported it within 24 hours and that there was physical contact.
Okay, so what role would an attorney play in a hit and run?
In a hit and run, I would present your case to an arbitrator with your insurance company. So if you have insurance from State Home Insurance and you have $50,000 of uninsured motorist coverage, you would hire a lawyer. The lawyer would gather the records. The lawyer would also oppose the petition to dismiss the claim, which will be filed by ABC, by Home State Insurance Company, because they always do. They will try and dismiss that claim, arguing that you don't have a right to go to arbitration. Now, even though this is your own insurance company, this is the way the system works. It's not like you have an open door to that money. You have to prove that you reported it within 24 hours and that you have proof of physical contact, and then you have to prove that the injuries satisfy the New York State serious injury requirement in the insurance law. So a lawyer will still be required